I love me a good classic chocolate chip cookie. In fact, I love them so much that I could eat a whole sleeve of them in one sitting. What if I told you I was gonna make a high protein, low calorie version so you can eat multiple chocolate chip cookies and still fit them within your macros? Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Amanda, aka Fit Food AE, and today we're gonna be making a higher protein, lower calorie version of the classic chocolate chip cookie. So if you're excited to see me make this recipe, please give this video a like and subscribe as I make similar recipes to this twice a week. And with that, let's get started making the chocolate chip cookies. Okay, so first things first, preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Grab a bowl and add your vanilla protein powder. So I use PE Science Cake Pop flavor. You could also use the vanilla flavor. This is a whey casein blend. I haven't tested this recipe with just whey. It would likely work better with PE Science, so if you have that on hand, use that. Otherwise, if you try it with whey, let me know. If you want to purchase PE Science, please use my discount code FIT15 or the link in the description. Next, add in some oat flour. If you don't have any on hand, you could just blend quick oats in a blender. Add in some coconut flour. Now add in some powdered peanut butter. So I just use Lakanto's powdered peanut butter. Of course, you could use any other brand, but if you're gonna purchase Lakanto, use my discount code. Next, you're gonna add in your 0-calorie sweetener, whatever you have on hand, but of course, I use Lakanto monk fruit sweetener. Add in some baking soda, and then you're gonna mix all the dry ingredients together to avoid clumping. Now for the wet ingredients, add in some non-fat Greek yogurt and your sugar-free maple syrup. This is the one I used by Edie Smith. Next, add in egg whites. So it's a lot easier to just buy the egg whites in a carton rather than having to separate the egg white from the yolk. And then crack an egg, make sure to not get any shells in the batter. Mix all that together thoroughly. Next, add in some chocolate chips. I actually decided to do chocolate chunks for this recipe, but of course you could use whatever you have on hand, whether it's the mini chocolate chips or the regular ones. Now we're actually gonna chill the dough in the fridge for around 30 minutes because this will prevent the cookies from spreading too much when they bake. So once you've chilled the cookie dough, you're gonna take it out of the fridge, grab a baking tray, line it with parchment paper, and then spray it with cooking spray. So we're gonna make 10 cookies, so separate the dough into 10 little globs. If the dough gets too tough to handle, you can just wet your fingers with some water, maybe keep a little bowl nearby, and then try to shape the cookie dough into circles the best you can. Now we're gonna pop that in the oven for 5 minutes. So when you take them out after 5 minutes, they're gonna look kind of underbaked, but don't put them in for longer. Instead, let them cool for around 20 to 30 minutes. So good. They're really gooey and soft, like that's the kind of texture I was going for. They taste like bakery cookies that just came out of the oven. They're amazing. Would highly recommend using chocolate chunks if you can. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you like this chocolate chip cookie recipe, then I'm sure you're gonna like my cookie skillet. So check out the recipes that are gonna pop up on the screen. And please be sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends as it really helps my channel and I post recipes just like this twice a week. And with that, I will see you guys next time. Bye.